starting out, the first one is Epic. It is one of the largest digital libraries for young readers in the world. With new titles added weekly, it is growing bigger and bigger at a fast rate. You can also track progress, so teachers and parents can see how a child is doing with a book. There's also a built-in dictionary, so kids can check and learn, new words to try to help reading and learning a more independent process. There are many ways to incorporate Epic into your classroom. You can assign books as homework, since the parents, like I'm on a parent page right now. You could assign a certain book for a parent to read with a student, and then you would be able to assign homework and track their progress and make sure that they looked at it and that they did it. The standard that I chose with this was knowledge construction. Students critically curate a variety of resources using digital tools to construct knowledge, produce creative artifacts, and make meaningful learning experiences for themselves and others. I chose this one because of evaluate information. Students evaluate accuracy, validity, bias, origin, and relevance of digital content. That kind of depends on the book. For the Nebraska standard, I chose fluency. The child reads grade level context for kindergarten with sufficient accuracy and fluency to support comprehension, develop accuracy, phrasing, and expression while reading. The next one is Storyline Online. So I was looking at some of the books. Each book comes with a supplemental curriculum designed by credentialed educators aimed for enhancing comprehension, verbal, and written skills. The books are equipped with handy resources for teaching, including synopsis, themes, reading questions, and activities to further explore the story's content. Each story is accompanied by creativity-produced illustrations that bring the narratives to life visually, making it not only interactive but eye-catching. And these stories would be fun to incorporate into the classroom for an activity or a monthly theme. The one for this was Learner. Educators continually improve their practice by learning from with others, exploring proven and promising practices that leverage technology to boost student learning. This one came from the fact that they have like little lesson plans that go in hand with the book. Educators set professional learning goals by applying teaching practices made possible by technology. And then the Nebraska standard was concepts of print. Demonstrate knowledge of the organization and basic concepts of print, which was first grade. Demonstrate knowledge of the organization and basic concepts of print. I'm sorry, this was the standard page. The final one was the book creator. Students can design, write, and publish their very own digital book with the book creator. They can add text, images, audio, and even video, allowing them to explore various forms of storytelling and information sharing. This helps creative freedom and helps students gain a deeper understanding of content, stimulate their imaginations, and transform them into enthusiastic authors and artists of their own learning journey. This tool can be used in the classroom in so many ways. You can either make a book for your students to explore, or your students can make a book either introducing themselves, or if you had like a certain topic or a certain book that you read earlier in the lesson, like from the online books, you could make your own book about that topic. And this was the book that I created. The standard that I chose was Innovative Designer. Students use a variety of technologies within a design process to identify and solve problems by creating new, useful, or imaginative solutions. I chose this because of the design process. Students will use a deliberative design process for generating ideas, testing theories, and creating innovative artifacts. And they're also going to be using digital tools to do a design process. The standard and indicator for Nebraska that I chose was acquisition and use. They will be building a range, and this was kindergarten, building and using a range of controversial academic and discipline-specific grade level vocabulary and applying to reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Recognize and use controversial and grade level academic vocabulary. Thank you.